Hey guys, it is Christina from Our Rich Journey, and I am so excited to share this video with you today because this video has been almost 6 months in the making. So if you're new to our channel, we actually have been retired and living here in Portugal for almost 2 years, and we bought this beautiful house here in the Silver Coast of Portugal a little over 6 months ago. And throughout the process of us buying this house, we were working on renovating it. We renovated the upstairs already, the 2 major bedrooms upstairs, the kitchen, the living room, the dining room space. And now we've been working on this downstairs space. It has our master bedroom here, and we love to call it our master bedroom garden suite, because it opens up into our beautiful, huge 1-acre land of garden and open space. And so today, what we wanna do in this video is give you a tour of our master bedroom / garden suite. And we also wanna show you what we did to the other side of our master bedroom, which was we created a new gym in our home. So we are so excited to share this video with you so you can see what we've done with this beautiful home here in Portugal.
So before we start our tour, you guys have to do us a huge favor. Please subscribe to our channel. Make sure you like and you share these videos because it really helps our YouTube channel grow and we can reach more people with our message of financial independence. So if you like learning about how to save money, invest money, all of these wonderful things on the road to financial independence, please subscribe to our channel. And if you like to learn more about our life here in Portugal, subscribe to our channel, but also follow us on Instagram. We post almost every day about the things that we do here in Portugal. So without further ado, let's show you guys our master bedroom garden suite.
So we're gonna start off with our master bedroom garden suite, but just like all of our other renovation videos, we like to show what the space looked like first. So here is the space pre-renovation. And as you can see, it's one large open space. The previous owner only lived in the downstairs space, so she used this space here as her living room. So for our renovation, we had a couple of things to focus on: painting, installing wooden floors and baseboards, sanding down the walls, installing new lighting, creating a wall to separate the master bedroom and the gym, and we also had to install a door once we put the wall up. Our goal for the renovation was to create 2 distinct spaces between the master bedroom and the gym. So we had to build a wall and put up a door to separate the spaces. And here you can see Aman building the structure for the wall. He also added insulation for temperature control and also for sound. And then we added closets along the wall because there was no closet space down here before. And of course, once we put up the wall, we needed to install a door to access the new space. So here is how the renovation turned out. We wanted to be able to capture the light and also bring in that outdoor feel inside. So we have plants from our backyard throughout our room, and then we also have a lot of wooden and wicker pieces to give it a bit of a more outdoorsy feel. The downstairs design is slightly different than our upstairs, but we still went for that country design throughout the house because we really wanted that continuity between the spaces. One thing we're gonna still change that we haven't done yet is we're gonna replace the doors that lead outside. Right now, as you can see, they're opaque with smaller windows on top, but our plan is to replace them with a large glass folding door with top to bottom windows to let the sun shine through. But we're also gonna install blinders like we have throughout the rest of the house for times when we wanna shut out that light. As a side note, we've renovated this entire house ourselves. So if you want to check out what the entire house looked like when we bought it and how much we bought the house for, we'll leave a link in the description below. And we'll also leave a link for the other renovation videos that we've done on this house. But if you've been watching our channel, you know that this is not our first renovation project. We actually renovated homes when we lived in the San Francisco Bay Area, and we'll leave a link for those videos in the description below also. So a lot of people have asked us how we learn to renovate properties, and we actually think that learning to work on your home isn't really as complicated as you might think. We don't have backgrounds in construction, but we learned how to do all of these things. So if you're interested in DIYing, flipping, or renovating real estate, just leave us a comment below and maybe we can build a series of videos on that. So if you've been following our channel, you know that our goal is to also build a sustainable garden in our backyard. Our property sits on almost an entire acre of land, and we have tons of different fruit trees in our backyard already. So once we get through the winter season, we'll be revving up that work in the garden, and it will just add to the view that we get from our master bedroom.
So if you guys have noticed, this space right here, we have it covered up. It's actually a glass window, but we have a room behind here and we are planning on renovating it. We're gonna use it to make up a space, like an office space or study room for the girls, but we're also gonna make it a really comfortable living space at the same time. So we have huge plans for it. We cannot wait to share it with you, but you're gonna have to subscribe to our channel if you wanna see it in a future video, but that will be coming up soon as well.
So this is the gym. We were able to buy all of the equipment here really easily, and it's so nice to have. It just makes working out so much more convenient when we can just come over to this room and do a quick workout. And we love that we can move in and out of this space and get that fresh air when we're working out. As you can see, we have a lot of bins up against this wall. They have things that we need for the gym, but then they also keep different tools and supplies in them. And we also installed a TV in here because Aman likes to listen to news and work out at the same time. I like to do YouTube workout videos, and the girls like to listen to music when they work out. So we can do all of those things with the TV down here. So there's one last thing we wanted to share with you. This is a downstairs kitchen next to our master bedroom. We have a kitchen upstairs that we renovated, but this house also has a second downstairs kitchen. Aman already started working on it, and we have some more rooms throughout the house to work on and complete, so we'll be sharing more of those renovations with you soon.
So that is the tour of our master bedroom, our garden suite, and our in-home gym. We have so much more to share with you in this house. We are still working on the kitchen that we're renovating downstairs. We have a surprise room in the back that we're renovating. We have the bathrooms downstairs, and we're still finishing the bathroom upstairs. So we have all of this to continue to share with you. If you like this video and you want to see more of these videos, or if you want to see more about making, saving, and investing money on the road to financial independence, make sure you like this video, subscribe to our channel, and join the journey.